I just had breakfast. Pimple. So every season I get a Fab Fit Fun box. Sometimes I choose what I want to get and sometimes I don't. I need a knife. Into Deep Pan, promo for my friends. Into Deep Diving. I always love their boxes. Look at this. Dark creative team, really. So simple yet so pretty. A little martini. Perfect. The mascara. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but I see it all over my feed, so I'm excited to try that. Waba butter, face and body, melt away. I love the color. I really like the container. It's like a matte color. It's nice. I'm big on containers, so. Ooh, Bare Minerals Defining Brow Pencil. I just ran out of mine, so this is perfect. Ooh, Kopari. I might mispronounce a lot of these things. Kopari. Let's try it. They match my nails. Oh, it smells like a strawberry shortcake. It just glides so nicely. Plenishing. Dr. Dennis Gross. Sorry, that's not the language I can read. Oh, there we go. pH Balance Replenishing Cream that's infused with essential electrolytes in a lightweight gel cream. Nice. Let's see the package. That's pretty. Ooh! I always get these and I don't use them because I am on an island and I don't think they would deliver here. So if anybody wants these, let me know. This is Everyday Sun Day. Oh, sunblock. I love sun fluid. I love a good sunblock. Let's open it up and see the package. I do love Dr. Jart. It's so cute. It's like a travel size. Maybe this is a real size, but I'll definitely be reusing this package. So cute. Hammock float. Nice. You know where to find me this summer. Nice. Should we blow it up? No. Nope. We have to go to work in an hour. I always have oranges in the dining hall. And I noticed that they're going bad, so I was like, okay, maybe I can take some home and juice them. Look how pretty it is. Love it. That's all I got for my Fab Fit and Fun box for summer. The link on my bio. There's a discount code if you want to send it to. Bye.